Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic electric precision screwdriver that this brand sent to me for this video. I do think that this thing is something that you need to have in your household. Either kind of like whether you are using it, for example, I use it a lot for cleaning my stuff. You know, if I'm gonna be cleaning my keyboard, I'm gonna just using this one. If I'm gonna be cleaning my kind of like mouse or some other stuff, electronic stuff mostly, I'm gonna be using this one. But also you can use it for like building furniture, for example, because this one works from I think it was like 0.5 inches or 0.6 inches to actually 6 inches torque with a quarter actually torque, and also different torques and different power as well, different kind of like I want to say like when you need something like super strong and when you need something with high precision but also soft. You know, if you're gonna be doing, for example, your lenses, you need something that is gentle at the same time. This one is rechargeable with a 2000 milliamps hour battery, so it's gonna give you enough juice to do a few sets, you know, and it's not gonna be running out of battery just right away. But the best thing about this one is that this is gonna be the stand, as you can see over here, and each one of this one comes with bits. This one's you're gonna have 30 bits total for working on those precision things, for working on those like projects. Each one of these ones is gonna come with that, and they're all stackable. So this is perfect for just like dropping it in your car or something like that and have it in within easy reach every single time. Let's take a closer look. Okay, check it out. I wanna show you some of the bits right here. You get a super nice view of some of the bits that you have over here in this one. You also can see some of these ones right here. It comes with everything, you know. We're gonna come with Allen keys, it's gonna go with Philip keys, it's gonna go with the just flat heads, and then I'm gonna remove this one over here. I'm gonna put it on the table, and you get a grip of some of the other ones. So what we're gonna do right now, let me actually show it to you with this screws right here. So I'm gonna select which is gonna be the one that I'm gonna be using over there, which is gonna be this one right here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so it has a magnetic kind of like this one. So this is all done, all set, and this is so easy to use. Once you get it on, let's check it out right here. So you select the torque just with this. Comes with a total of 6 different torques, kind of like strength. I'm gonna put it in the middle one, and it's gonna tell me the actual size and also the battery. Let's check it out. We go left, we go right, and it's as easy as it gets. And it's as easy as it gets. Just like this, I go right, I go left. Same thing with this one. Put some pressure, and that's it. And I can go left and right back again. You gotta kind of like grip it nice and easy. And the more kind of like a strain that you put, the less grip you're gonna have, but also how strong it's gonna be. You know, that's why you kind of like need to grip it all set with this one. And that's it. And it comes with the magnet. So we're gonna put it back again. And that's it. This is just fantastic. I do believe that, again, every household needs this item. I do like it. I do recommend it.